Hello student, I am Sanjeevani Rumau, TMC school number 25. Welcome to this TMC's virtual class. Today we are going to learn a lesson excuses. Excuses means to offer an apology, to feel sorry for, to forgive, to give reason why was late, why was absent. Today we are going to listen a conversation between Ritesh, a student, and his class teacher, Mrs. Singh. Ritesh reached school late for the first period. So he made an interesting story in his mind why he was came late. बघा प्राणू, रितेश आणि मिसेस सेन या दोघांमधलं हे संभाषण आहे. रितेश शायद पहिल्या तासानंतर आलेला आहे, लेट आलेला आहे आणि म्हणून तो एक स्टोरी तयार करतो. तो सबब तयार करतो, तो कारण तयार करतो. ती सबब ते कारण मीन्स एक्सक्युजेस. So, take out English textbook, page number 41, unit 2.4, excuses, and this lesson we learn to a form of a skit. And a skit means a funny drama, a short story. Performance म्हणजे नाटक. And there are two categories. There are two characters in the skit. Two characters means play role. Ritesh, a school student, and Mrs. Sen, his class teacher. म्हणजे ह्या नाटकातील ही दोन पात्र आहेत, कॅरेक्टर्स आहेत. And scene means दृश्य. नाटकातील दृश्य a classroom. Ritesh came late. Ritesh said, "May I come in, madam? May I come in, ma'am?" And Mrs. Sen said, "Now, don't you think you are early?" Don't. Don't means contract form do not. Do not means don't. Don't you think you are too late? Too early. Early is opposite word of late. Ritesh got confused because Ritesh knew that he was late, and Mrs. Sen said he came early. So Ritesh said, "Pardon me, excuse me, ma'am." To pardon used to indicate that one has not heard or understood something. म्हणजे एखाद्याला एखादी गोष्ट कळली नाही तर तो बोलतो, "Pardon ma'am." And Mrs. Sen said, "I mean for the second period. You are too early for the second period." I mean you are late for the first period and for the second period you came early. You are too early for the second period and you are too late for the first period. म्हणजे तू फर्स्ट पिरियड साठी उशिरा आलेला आहेस आणि सेकंड पिरियड साठी लवकर आलेला आहेस. नाव रितेश रिअलाइज. रितेश से, "I am so sorry, ma'am. I am really sorry. I started well in time from home. But you won't believe what happened." Ritesh said, "Sorry, ma'am. I am really sorry. To really म्हणजे खरोखर I am really sorry. Ma'am, I started in time from home." मी वेळेत निघालो होतो. You won't believe. To believe means to accept as truth. But you won't believe means विश्वास. तुम्ही विश्वास ठेवणार नाही. What happened with me? माझ्याबरोबर काय घडलं? To happen means घडणे. To believe. What happened? Happen means घडणे. Mrs. Sen said, we will see. Let's hear the story first. What happened? Nothing short of an earthquake, I am sure. Mrs. Sen said, I am sure nothing short means nothing less than earthquake. Earthquake means bhukampa. Nothing less than to compare with earthquake. Earthquake पेक्षा कमी नसेल. I am sure. So Ritesh said, no ma'am. Really ma'am. Honestly ma'am. Ritesh said, honestly, truly, ma'am, truly, खरं सांगतो. No ma'am. And Mrs. Sen said, go ahead, we continue. Now Ritesh said, I was walking to school as usual. I was halfway down the narrow lane that leads to the market. Suddenly, I heard a scream from the main road. Ritesh said, I was walking to school as usual. As usual means habitually, means नेहमीप्रमाणे. I was walking to school as usual. I was halfway down the narrow lane. To narrow means passageway between fence. Sorry, lane means narrow. Narrow means अरुंद, just like narrow, opposite word of wide. Narrow, arunda, wide, runda. And lane. Lane means a passageway between fence. Lane. Narrow lane that leads to leads. Leads means show the way. I was halfway down the narrow lane that show the market way, and suddenly I heard is a past tense verb of hear. Hear, heard. I heard a loud crying. I heard a scream. A scream means cry loudly. I heard someone cry loudly from the main road. मेन रोडवरून कुणीतरी मोठ्याने स्क्रीम म्हणजे किंकाळत होतं, ओरडत होतं. मिसेस सेन सेड, and of course you had to investigate. To investigate means carry out a systematic search to discover truth about some incident. To event means घटना. Discover truth, सत्य तपासणी. And systematic search म्हणजे योग्य मार्गाने. Investigate means सत्य तपासणी करणे. And you had to investigate. To investigate means तुला तपास करणं भाग होतं. They said, yes ma'am. I had to find out if someone needed help. And sure enough, there was this person laying near the pavement. He was groaning with pain. Yes, ma'am. I wanted that there was some need my help. And sure, I saw one man laying near the pavement. Pavement means footpath, side of a road. Footpath, पायी जाण्याचा रस्ता. A man was laying near the pavement and was groaning. To groaning means painful sound, making painful sound because of pain. Groaning. Groaning means making painful sound. There was a man laying near the pavement, laying near the footpath, and he was making a painful sound because of pain. तो वेदनेने कण्हत होता. ग्रोनिंग म्हणजे कण्हणे आणि पेन मीन्स वेदना, वेदनेने कण्हत होता. And Mrs. Sen said, so you took him to Dr. Jadhav. So he took. Took means past tense word of take. Take, took. So he took him to Dr. Jadhav. Ritesh said, no ma'am, I didn't get the chance. Just as I reached that man, another man came running out of the shop there with a packet in his hand, and the shopkeeper also came out shouting, Chor, Chor, catch him. They said, no ma'am, actually I want to help them. I'll help that man. But just I reached that man. Now, student, the story take a mode. Another person enter to this story means this is second excuses. पहिलं एक्सक्यूज पहिली सबब संपली. दुसरी एक्सक्यूज सुरू होत आहे. रितेश त्या माणसाला मदत करायला जात आहे. Another man came running with a packet in his hand and he came running out of the shop. दुकानातून तो पॅकेट हातात घेऊन धावत आहे. And the shopkeeper also ran behind him. Behind म्हणजे मागे. Shouted, Chor, Chor, catch him. And Mrs. Sen said, amazing, surprising, quite a handful for you to deal with, and all at once. What did you do then? Mrs. Sen said, wow, amazing, surprising. There are too many things happen in one time and you are only one. And what did you do? दोन गोष्टी झालेल्या आहेत, दोन एक्सक्युजेस आहेत, दोन गोष्टी आहेत त्या ठिकाणी आणि तू दोन इव्हेंट घडलेले आहेत, दोन प्रसंग घडलेले आहेत आणि तू काय केलं? Ritesh said, yes, no. But the most amazing thing happened then. That man near the pavement, he too got up and began to run with the thief without losing a moment. Listen, Ritesh said, man, this is not surprising thing. ही आश्चर्याची गोष्ट नाही. The most amazing thing happened then. सगळ्यात मोठी आश्चर्याची गोष्ट नंतर घडली. That man, first man, laying near the pavement, फुटपाथवर पडलेला माणूस, he too, T-O-O, means सुद्धा. He too got up. He too got up and ran. He ran and began to run with the thief. With means बरोबर, not behind the thief, but also with the thief. Without losing a moment. Losing a moment. क्षणाचाही विलंब न करता तो त्या चोराबरोबर धावत सुटला. Means he is also a thief. Thief means चोर. He is also a thief's friend. And I ran after them. After then I ran. नंतर मी त्यांच्या मागे धावलो. Mrs. Sen said, and then you caught them and took them to the police station. Then you caught them. To caught means past tense word of catch. Then you caught them. Then you caught them. तो त्यांना पकडलं and took them to the police station. Mrs. Sen said, Ritesh said, we couldn't do that. We couldn't do that, ma'am. They just vanished around the corner. All this happened so fast. Ma'am, actually I want to do that. But we couldn't do it. That is we. We means not only Ritesh but also shopkeeper with him. Shopkeeper and Ritesh. Both are called we. We couldn't do this means आम्ही करू शकलो नाही because they vanish. To vanish means disappear. Passed quickly, fast, around the corner. They vanish. Vanish means disappear. They vanish, they disappear, they pass quickly, around the corner. कॉर्नरवरून ते पटकन गायब झाले. अँड ऑल दिस हॅपन सो फास्ट. खूप फास्ट झालं. मिसेस सेन सेड, then why are you late? Then why are you late? इथे सेकंड एक्सक्यूज दुसरं सबब फिनिश झाली. नाव थर्ड एक्सक्यूज. Ritesh said, that's not all. Here not finish. I realized that I had left my bag at the shop in the mad rush. So I ran back to get it. Ma'am, story is not finished. I realized what I realized. मला जाणीव झाली what? I forgot my bag at the shop in the mad rush. Mad rush. Mad rush means a situation in which you are hurrying to do something. A situation in which you are hurrying to do something because you do not have much time. When you have less time, when you have not much time, and one thing you do in hurriedly means घाई गडबड. In the mad rush, घाई गडबडीमध्ये Ritesh forgot his bag at the shop, and so he ran to get it. And Mrs. Sen said, and it wasn't there, and your bag is not there. Am I right? Ritesh said, no ma'am. It was there all right. It was there all right. My bag is there. But there was a huge, a hairy, brown dog sitting on it. I didn't know what to do. Ma'am, my bag is there, but a huge means big. A hairy, full body covered with hair means kesar. Brown dog was sitting on my bag. And I didn't know what to do. काय करू मला काही कळलं नाही. A big, hairy, brown dog sitting on my bag. एक केसाळ ब्राऊन रंगाचा मोठा कुत्रा माझ्या बॅगवर बसला होता. Mrs. Sen said, interesting. A dog on a bag in a shop. Wow, very interesting thing. Adbhut. Ritesh said, yes ma'am. Even the shopkeeper was surprised. He didn't know where the dog had come there. How that dog growled. Even, yes ma'am, this is interesting story. When the shopkeeper saw the dog, he was even surprised. He didn't know where the dog came from there. And the dog started growled. To growl means making a angry sound. Growled. Growl means making an angry sound, and dog started to make an angry sound. Growled. And we try all kinds of things to make it move. Whistling, clapping, and showing him the stick. But he wouldn't budge, and I couldn't live without my school bag. Ma'am, I try so many kinds of things to move away from my bag. Whistling means शिटी वाजवणे. Clapping means टाळ्या वाजवणे. And show him a stick. But the dog wouldn't budge. To budge means move. The dog wouldn't move. कुत्रा थोडाही हलला नाही. आम्ही शिट्या वाजवल्या, आम्ही टाळ्या वाजवल्या, आम्ही काठी दाखवली, पण कुत्रा थोडाही हलला नाही. And without I couldn't live without my bag. माझी बॅग शिवाय मी हे ठिकाण सोडू शकत नव्हतो. Mrs. Sen said, but I see that you got your bag finally. But now I see your bag is with you on your back. तुझ्या पाठीवर तुझी बॅग आहे. Ritesh said, yes ma'am. Finally the shopkeeper gave me some biscuits. I offered the biscuits to the dog, and lurked him away from the bag. To lurk. Lurk means attractive. Attract. Lurk means attract. Pritesh said, yes, ma'am. I got my bag because finally shopkeeper gave me some biscuit. Give, gave. Give, the past tense word of give. Finally the shopkeeper gave me some biscuit. I offer biscuit to the dog, and the biscuit attract, the biscuit lure the dog to move away from my bag. शेवटी मला शॉपकीपरने बिस्किट दिली. मी डॉगला बिस्किट दाखवली आणि बिस्किटच्या अट्रॅक्शनने, आकर्षणाने डॉग माझ्या बॅगपासून दूर गेला. मिसेस सेन said, okay, so let's say that accounts for 15 minutes. Accounts for means reports what happened. Okay, now you give me what happened in next 15 minutes. In next 15 minutes पुढच्या 15 मिनिटांमध्ये काय घडलं ते आता तुम्हाला सांग. Pritesh said, but there's more. The story is still going on. What happened, ma'am? Poor dog began to follow me to school. It looked so poor and lonely and small. Ma'am, the story is not finished. The story is still going on. I saw the poor dog, the lonely dog, the small dog started follow me. कुत्र्याने माझा पाठलाग करायला सुरुवात केली. He was looking so poor, so small and so lonely. Poor means बिचारा. Lonely, एकटा, and small means छोटा. So Mrs. Sen said, small? Did you say small? Because first time they said that dog was huge, hairy, brown color, and now Ritesh said dog was small, poor, and lonely. But Ritesh said, I mean young. Ma'am, it was big in size, but it was only a puppy. Ritesh said, ma'am, first time I said dog was huge, but it was big in size. Size मोठी आहे, but it was a puppy. Dog, puppy. And it looked lost. And I saw the dog looked lost. कुत्रा हरवला होता. Maybe it was looking for its mother or owner, and I thought it was asking for my help. So I began to inquire with the other shopkeepers and passerby, but nobody could tell and couldn't leave it behind. Ma'am, when I saw that dog, I thought that the dog was lost, and he started to find out his owner, his mother, and he needed my help. So I started to inquire. So I started to ask another shopkeeper, passerby. Shopkeepers म्हणजे दुकानं, passerby म्हणजे जाणार येणाऱ्या माणसाला मी विचारायला सुरुवात केली. But nobody didn't know anything or no idea. पण कुणालाही त्या डॉगच्या ओनरची, मालकाची किंवा हिज मदर, त्याच्या आईची कुणालाही कल्पना नव्हती. Mrs. Sen said, then you found the owner. Who was it? At last you found. The past word of find. At last, finally, you found the dog's owner. Who was it? कौन होता? They said, that's the funny part, ma'am. The puppy itself found the owner. It saw someone across the road and just handed sorry, and just bounded towards the person. I was so relieved. Then I turned and ran straight to school. Ma'am, this is the funny part. I want to help the dog, but puppy itself found his owner. पप्पीने स्वतःच त्याचा मालक शोधून काढला. One person was crossing the road. Puppy saw him and puppy bounded. To bound means towards the jump towards. Jump that person. Bounded. Bounded means jump towards towards that person. And I was relieved. To relieved means got satisfied. I got relieved. I got relieved means I got satisfied that puppy found his owner. And so I ran straight to school. सरळ शाळेत धावत आलो. Mrs. Singh said, "Good boy. Really, Ritesh, you are a good boy. Now that you did, now that your good deeds are done." Good deeds, चांगलं कार्य. Done. Now you done your good deeds. आता तू चांगलं कार्य केलेलं आहे. There's something else you can do. Now, one thing you must do. What? There's a story writing competition coming up. Would you like to send an entry? Now, one thing you can do. Which one thing? There is a story writing competition and you must take part in it. त्या ठिकाणी स्टोरी रायटिंग कॉम्पिटिशन आहे, स्पर्धा आहे आणि तुला भाग घेतलाच पाहिजे. रितेश सेड, "Who, ma'am? Me, ma'am? Now, I wouldn't know what to write. I'm not good at making up stories." "Who, ma'am? Me? No, ma'am. I I wouldn't write story. I don't know how to write story. मला माहित नाही स्टोरी कशी लिहायची. How to make story, कशी स्टोरी बनवायची. No, ma'am. तर बाळांनो, या ठिकाणी आपण 4 एक्सक्यूजेस बघितले that made रितेश. फर्स्ट, माणूस पेमेंट जवळ पडलेला होता. सेकंड, आपण बघितलं की चोर, थिप. थर्ड, आपण बघितलं डॉग वॉज सिटिंग ऑन अ बॅग. आणि फोर्थ, आपण बघितलं की हे हेल्प टू फाउंड द डॉग्स ओनर. तर बाळांनो, ह्या सगळ्या 4 गोष्टीच म्हणतो आपण एक्सक्युजेस, सबबी, कारण. आणि हे टीचरला समजलं होतं आणि म्हणून टीचरने काय सांगितलं, यू टेक पार्ट इन द स्टोरी कॉम्पिटिशन. सो नाव आय एम गोइंग टू गिव्ह यू सम क्वेश्चन. You find out that question's answer in your textbook and show your teacher. Where was the man laying? The man was laying near the pavement. Second question. What was thief's hand? A packet was in thief's hand. Third question. How did Ritesh describe the dog first time? How did Ritesh describe the dog first time? Ritesh described the dog. The dog was huge. Then dog was huge, hairy and brown color. Then fourth question. Did the teacher Believe Ritesh story? Did. Did the teacher believe Ritesh story? टीचरने रितेशच्या स्टोरीवर बिलीव्ह केलं का? नो. Okay. Fifth question. What kinds of things Ritesh did to move the dog? And fifth question. What kinds of things Ritesh did to move the dog? What kinds of things Ritesh did to move the dog? Ritesh show whistling, clapping, and show stick to move the dog. तर बाळांनो, या ठिकाणी 5 प्रश्न आहेत. तर त्याची उत्तरं तुम्ही टेक्स्टबुकमध्ये शोधा आणि तुमच्या क्लास टीचरला त्यांचे आन्सर दाखवा. थँक्यू.